How to delete a Facebook account. This tutorial shows you how to permanently delete your Facebook account directly from the app on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device and tap the three lines at the top left to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap Settings, then tap Account Center. At the bottom, tap Manage Accounts. Find your Facebook account and tap the Manage button right next to it. After that, tap Deactivation and Deletion, and select the account you want to remove if you have multiple linked. This time, select Delete Account and tap Continue. The next screen will let you know that any pages you manage will also be permanently deleted. Tap Continue to move on. From here, select a reason for deleting your account and tap Continue. The final summary screen will walk you through everything that gets removed. A few things worth knowing before you confirm. If you want a copy of your data, you'll need to export it before proceeding. If you still want to use Messenger, deletion isn't an option, and you'll need to deactivate instead. And any apps or services you've logged into using Facebook will also be disconnected. Once you've read through all of that, tap Continue and enter your password on the next page to confirm. Keep in mind you have a 30-day window to log back in and cancel the deletion if you change your mind. After that, your account and all its data will be permanently removed. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete your Facebook account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.